Last call getting pushed back now, and fans are getting back in the stands. But local and state officials want to make sure these changes won't lead to another rise in cases. Fox 46's Linnea Lewis joining us live this afternoon. Linnea, Mecklenburg County officials say that there are some encouraging signs here as we get ready to ease those restrictions. What are you hearing?
Well, county officials say, along with the state, they're also seeing that COVID-19 positive cases and hospitalizations dip in the county. And Gibby Harris is saying that with restrictions easing tomorrow, this is not the time to let our guard down, but instead a time to show that we can navigate with these constant improvements.
Both our businesses as well as our individuals in this community need to think seriously about their behavior as we move forward. We want this to work. We want the openings to be something that is sustainable as we move forward.
And for those looking to get some fresh air, starting on Monday, county parks and recreational areas will be open to the public. And for those hours, you can go ahead and go online. Live in Charlotte, Linnea Lewis, Fox 46.
Right now, Bank of America is preparing for another mass vaccination event. Atrium will start distributing second doses of the Moderna vaccine at Bank of America Stadium tomorrow. Fox 46's Derek Dellinger live in the newsroom this afternoon. Derek, officials say they have learned a few things from the last clinic. So what changes can people expect this time?
Well, what we're told, the changes from the previous vaccination clinics won't be too entirely different. They want people to know that these vaccinations are more appointment-based, and that they are also saying that these mass vaccination events have worked out so well here in Mecklenburg County that they are likely to become the norm. The event is also going to be much like the ones we have seen recently, and they have said the logistics of how it has worked out have actually changed very little over time from the first vaccination clinic to the one that they're having this weekend. Now, the model for the mass vaccinations here have also been the subject to be a model for mass vaccinations nationwide and perhaps even internationally. Officials here are sharing the plans with people across the country and across the world. Now, we asked them about the plans with the other vaccines coming on the market. Here's what they had to say about that.
So we're very excited about that, and we are very targeted in our planning of how we will use those vaccines. There are certain situations where, you know, if there's a risk of having difficulty with transportation or other things coming back for your second doses, those are going to be the communities we really target with it.
And with more vaccine coming on the market, they also say that it could be a matter of weeks, not months, before more vaccinations become available and more groups open up. Paige?